In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I beat the world champion pizza guys in their own pizza. Are you ready? Master Pizzaiolos. So at this point, we got Pasquale over here, world champion campione. He's going to show us how we cut the mozzarella for the pizza.
You don't want it too thin.
Pasquale, che stai facendo?
You
Pasquale?
don't want it too big because we want it to, how do you say it? Si scioglie.
You want it to melt completely on the pizza. So he's cutting
Big
it.
piece.
Yeah, he doesn't want to make it too big, not too small, but just perfect. So when it melts, you have those nice strips that come on the pizza. That's very important because when he won in 2023, he made sure he used this cheese, Latteria Sorrentina, right here. It's one of the best cheeses in the world, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I love it.
It's the one I use in France too, in all my pizzerias.
Pasquale, tell me a little bit about your pizzeria over there in France.
Yeah, so the first one I made, I used to start with the food trucks.
Okay, you started with a food truck.
I opened the first pizzeria in 2019.
Wow. This is Luca. He also won 2019 world champion.
Yeah,
We're gonna explore.
Napoletan style.
Yeah, see, this guy's unbelievable.
This
too.
year you got a good point, but I take the third place Napoletan style.
Okay, Luca is going to explain to you guys how we make the San Marzano tomato sauce for the pizza.
DOP, I like this tomato, bellissimo.
Okay, so explain exactly what you're going to do here for
Okay,
the pizza
just
sauce.
open the case, you just put over there. You see the pelatone? Okay, I just want to put a little salt. Okay, each 3 kilo, I will just put 20 grams salt, little basil.
So for every 3 kilos, we're going to put 20 grams of sea salt. So that would probably equal to maybe like a tablespoon and a half.
Yes.
Like a tablespoon and a half for every can.
You see, I'm just sharp with my hand.
And the sea salt we want to use, what kind of sea salt would you recommend for, especially for,
Mediterranean salt.
Like-
Mediterranean
okay.
salt.
You want to use like the sea salt from Trapani.
Yes, what's happening?
So the sea salt from Trapani, which comes from Sicily, is one of the best sea salts we want to use. This is what he competed with this year.
Oh, yeah.
Right? A lot of you guys are going to ask me out there, why don't we use a blender? Because how are you going to do all these? You're doing 100 pizzas. How are you going to do it? Can we do a mixer? It's a very, very big problem.
Yeah, you don't want to do it. You don't want to do it because if you blend it, you're gonna have the cedar. Cedar, yeah.
Very bitter. It's going to be
Yeah,
very
it's
bitter.
better. It's very bitter. It tastes kind of bad.
So let me ask you, all these guys that are on YouTube, they're
No, it doesn't make sense because you bring the best tomato off in the world. Actually, so you have to know, DOP's San Marzano is only tomato
protected
pomodoro in the
products.
world,
Yeah.
protected in the world.
Sure.
So it's more or less, simple as that, the best tomato in the world. So you don't want to smash it, you don't want to
Of course,
crush it.
you want to take care of it.
Yeah, you want to leave it as it is.
Beautiful.
Never mix it, please.
It's never mix it. It's a DOP, the original
Especially this
protect.
quality.
Okay, so we got Pasquale over here. He's going to show you guys how we stretch the Neapolitan pizza.
Okay, first thing, we have to make it a perfect round. Try to put the gas together, push the middle from the outside, but don't touch the butter.
So don't touch the borders. Okay.
Exactly. You mark it, flip it around. But what I do, I push the gas in the boiler. I don't want to make a dough boiler. I just push the gas, so I feel it. Actually, I don't know if you see it, but I feel it in my hand. I just push the gas, you know. I mark the boiler. After fa schiaffo alla napoletana.
Schiaffo alla Napoletana. This is the Italian smack.
Exactly.
Okay.
You don't want to stretch it too much. What happens, like when you sickle, look, easy peasy. You got a good right size. You don't have to rush anything. You don't have to be too fast.
We got a San Marzano.
Second round, and after you use
Leave it towards the what? Just leave the edge. Just
the edge of the
one
of the
inch,
spoon.
right?
Yeah, exactly. Parmigiano Reggiano. Just a little bit. You don't put too much. Basil. We break
You gotta
it.
break it that we get the flavor, right?
Exactly. Exactly. You got it.
And this is the cheese. This is Latteria
Yeah. Fior di
Sorrentina.
latte, as you remember, we sliced it before. Okay. You're gonna separate it. You won't put too much. You don't want to put too less.
How many grams would you say we put?
It's gonna be something about 110 grams. Extra virgin olive oil. You wanna make a big 6, a big J.
There we go. Beautiful.
Here you go. That's it. After this, just a little bit of flour. I mean, just a little bit. If you put too much, it's gonna burn in the oven.
Okay, now he's launching it in the oven. Okay, Luca, are you ready? I'll show you the
È
pizza.
buonissimo, bravissimo.
All right, ready? Go.
No, che c'è fucking?
Oh, we got this. Got a knife. Hey, don't worry. Okay, now you gotta show them. Explain to them what you do.
Ok, farina, palettina, tagliare il panetto,
So get the flour, guys. Cut the sides in one shot, right? One movimento.
buon movimento. There we go.
Beautiful.
Boom.
Put the flour. Now explain in English so people understand what you're doing.
Okay. The little dough, make this.
So he's making a little circle right here, guys. Now he's pushing the air towards the crust.
But I want to rebuild the crust.
So it's very different than Pasquale, but it's very nice, beautiful. Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Beautiful.
Napoletano, chef.
Okay, so show them the smack. Right here, the smack of Napoletana. Boom, boom, boom. Beautiful.
I make marinara.
So
Marinara.
he's gonna be doing a marinara pizza. So marinara
You
pizza.
see the difference for the spoon. This I don't like this. Però questo è il mio spoon. 2 ounces each.
2 ounces each.
2 ounces each. I want to make one. I look at my tomato. 1, 2, 2 enough. I want to make marinara.
So what is a marinara pizza?
Marinara, olio, pomodoro DOP San Marzano.
Okay, San Marzano. So
Garlic.
San Marzano tomatoes, garlic, basil, and oregano.
That's it.
It's very
No.
simple. And when was this pizza invented? People want to know how long ago this.
Hey, with the people without money, I don't have money for cheese. Parmesan cheese,
Go back.
mozzarella cheese, go back.
So this pizza is originally going back to the 1700s, back in Naples. It's been one of the reason it's called marinara is because there were people that were fishermen. So when they used to come back,
Bravissimo.
they were coming back from work and they would make this this pizza. And this pizza was made out of fresh garlic. You see how he's doing it?
Questa è l'italiano napoletano. Questa è la pizza dello povero. Origano.
And you guys can see how much detail he's putting into this.
Beh,
He
basilico.
crushed the garlic by the dough scraper. That way you can develop the flavor right before he puts it in. He puts some fresh oregano, some Marzano tomatoes, and now you put a little bit of oil, right?
Olio
Homemade
extravergine d'oliva.
This year we made olive oil in California. So this is
Little
homemade.
bit more olive
Like the
oil.
garlic fried.
And make.
Yeah, so this is gonna fry the garlic. That way you can have a nice flavor, right? Okay.
Who? Handle this one.
I hold it.
Go
Okay. Beautiful.
Ready? Hoppala!
Beautiful. Che spettacolo, eh? Look at this, guys.
Guarda il capizzo.
Che spettacolo. I got it.
Vieni, vieni.
Look in the oven. Hold on, one shot.
Ole. Tuttiano, proprio.
Well, Luca, how do you know when it's ready? You look at the bottom, right?
You
At
look
the
for
bottom.
bar, guys, for top. Color.
Now it's my turn. Mamma mia, the pressure's on. In here, guys, I'm pushing all the air towards the
side.
crust. That way we can build the cornicione, give a little schiaffo napoletana, and mamma mia, the pizza is gonna be fantastico. Okay, now we're gonna put some San Marzano tomatoes over here. Scoop and a half. Boom, boom, boom. You guys, how we make a little bit of fresh basilico, a little bit of mozzarella, and homemade olive oil, mamma mia. Thank you guys for watching this video. 2 great master pizzaiolos. Appreciate it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and forget about it.
Capizzo, ma capizzo.